Yes, dear students, in this video I am starting a very important chapter which is named as alternating current. Alternating current. Before studying anything, we should learn the meaning of the heading. Generally, we start first learning. Actually, till now, you have learnt about a current obtained from battery, which keeps on flowing in one direction. Suppose it is a conductor, and here is a battery, and you may use your state here. So by changing the position of this point, you can change the magnitude but no direction. So the current which keeps on flowing in one direction is called direct current. Direct current. The current which keeps on flowing in one direction. It may change magnitude but no direction at all. The current which does not change direction and may change magnitude, so that is direct current. But in alternating current, alternate means, what is my alternate? If I am doing some or some other teacher may teach you, you may seek the alternate of teacher or alternate of any person. The same meaning is there. What is substitute of a particular thing? That is called its alternate. In place of me, you may find other person who can do the same work as I can do. So that is my alternate. So here what is alternating current? In simple word I define like this. The electric current which keeps on changing in magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction both changes. The electric current which keeps on changing in magnitude and direction periodically with time. After a given interval of time, it gets the same value periodically with time. It is called alternating current. Alternating current. It is called alternating current. The source of alternating current is alternating current generator. We have learned in last chapter in electroinduction, or we call it as AC generator. AC generator that has either coil moving magnitude or a magnet moves around a coil, a conducting coil. So that generates alternating EMF, and that alternating EMF gives us alternating current. AC generator. Mathematically, mathematically we represent AC current, ordinary current. I'll talk about this AC current as I equal to I0 sine omega t. Dear student, I have learned so many books, so many topics, so many authors, so many notes of so many teachers, which they give in class and keep on telling. And I found it difficult to understand how to give exact definition of alternating current. A long introduction is given there, and things remain unsolved. So I have make my own definition. This the current which keeps on changing in magnitude direction is called alternating current. I equal to I0 sine omega. I gave the example here. This current from battery can be changed in magnitude, but not direction. So from battery or cell, we get a current which keep on following on direction, and we can change the magnitude only. But here in AC generator, the direct magnitude keep on changing. So that current is called alternating. Now what is I here? I is the value of current at instant of time t. This t keep on changing ना भाई. अभी हमने शुरू किया क्लास का टाइम बढ़ते जा रहा है, तो टाइम के साथ ही बदलता है. बट पीरियडिकली आफ्टर ए गिवन इंटरवल current will get the same direction and same magnitude. That word periodically what is used there. Periodic motion, periodic change is that in which the same value obtained after a given interval. That interval may be of distance, may be of time, may be of number, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Period, fixed in interval. I the value I0, I write I0 here. Peak value or maximum value of current, or some people write in our book, actually they write IM, so M for maximum current, peak value or maximum value of current I0. Omega called angular frequency of current, and is equal to 2 pi upon capital T. T is that time period, that interval after which value of current is obtained same. Where capital T is called time period of alternating current. तो आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर नाउ. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज टाइम पीरियड, कहाँ से घुसी बातें हैं. आई टोल्ड यू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एसी जनरेशन कि इफ वी रोटेट ए कोयल हियर, सपोज ए कोयल, देयर इज मैग्नेट लाइक दिस, वी कीप ऑन रोटेटिंग, तो दैट टाइम टेकन टू कंप्लीट convolution is this time t here, because here when if we plot, I will plot the graph between I and t, so you will find that value of t keep on changing with time. So that equation 1 लिख सकते हैं आप उसको. You can write I equal to I0 sin omega t. You can write equation 1. So equation 1 can also be written as I equal to I0 sine 2 pi upon capital T into T. T, you know, time period. When I ask students in my class, I keep on asking question in class. There are two T, one small t, capital T. What is the difference between them? So they get confused. There are so many things which we, while learning the thing, understand wrong, and a wrong concept is set up in mind. There are many things, so many things. Now, if this current is passed through a conductor, resistance R, if we pass this current through a conductor, then potential difference according to Ohm's law. Is given by V equal to I R, यानी कि V equal to I0 R sin omega T into pi I0R को we can write V0. So this will be alternating voltage. This will be alternating voltage, means potential difference across the conductor will also be changing periodically with time. So alternating voltage. Now I come to the word here. The Farad is used. We keep on speaking AC voltage and AC current. So it is unnecessarily written and repeating. असल में AC means alternating current. A and C stand for A stand for alternating and C for current. But again we write in current AC voltage. Now it has been accepted because when we talk of only AC, so AC तो current clear, but when we talk voltage, so we speak AC voltage, alternating current voltage. यानी कि voltage produced by alternating current is called AC voltage. So with respect to that, now it has been accepted that we can speak AC current or AC voltage. It is given in our book also. Now I want equation. This is equation 3 here. I think it is clear. This T is the instant of time and capital T is the time period. So now I am going to represent this current and voltage graphically. So I write here graphical representation. This is very important topic here. Graphical representation. So I start writing AC, small is the AC current. Graphical representation बहुत important है, and actually I will try to explain each and everything, but you may have your own thinking. In spite of many efforts, something may left unsolved. So if you have any problem, you can message me. So just now I told you that I equal to I0 sine 2 pi upon T into T. What is T actually? I told you that time taken to complete one rotation. So half rotation T by 2 होगा, quarter rotation T by 4 होगा. And you know value of sine theta. It is 0 when theta is 0. It is 1 when theta 90, 180, 0. So we select those times. Suppose body complete one circle in time t. So this quarter rotation t by 4. Angle will be turned pi by 2. And then t by 2, then 3t by 4 and t. So here we prepare a table just for understanding. Dear student, though I teach it while teaching simple arm motion, the same thing. There are many concepts which are wrongly understood by us. Please be sincere. What I say, listen to that. Here I take t, then I take t equal to 0. 2 pi t into t. In place of t I took 0, so it becomes 0. Sin 0, 0, the current 0. I write 2 pi upon t into, in place of t by 4. The time is taken at t by 4. So then it will be pi by 2 sin 91, so it is I0. I take here t by 2. So 2 pi upon t into t by 2. It is pi. Sin pi sin 1 t 0. Then 3t by 4. T value to 3t by 4. तो 3t by 3 pi by 2 बचेगा. That is 270 sin 270 minus 1 to minus I0. Then I take t equal to t. So 2 pi sin 2 pi 0. Now if we represent these values for one, this is called one cycle of AC. From 0 to t. We represent here I0 this side minus I0 this side. Here you will take some time to understand. Don't bother. As we keep on moving further, you will get gradually so many things. So here t by, here t, there I. T time, t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and t. So when 0 is 0, it is maximum, then 0 here, at t by 2 0, at minus I 0 and then 0. So value of current keep on changing this way. This is a graph telling the value of I at different time. Sometimes student understand कि कंडक्टर अगर हमारा है ये कंडक्टर है कोई मान लो मैंने दिखा मोटा कि करंट इज गोइंग लाइक दिस. नो, करंट मूव स्ट्रेट. Actually, many confusions are there. While we talk about wave, what is wave? They always say something move like this. I will be telling just in coming chapters. There is no wave always travel straight. What is that graphical representation? तो इसका मतलब क्या है? सुनिए मेरी बात. अगर ये हमारा यही सोर्स है और ये हमारा कंडक्टर है, तो in this is called positive half cycle. Suppose current going this way. So in this time t, it start increasing. Suppose this value 10 ampere, maximum value 10 ampere. So start from 0.1 ampere, 0.2, 0.5 और 10 ampere होने बाद फिर घटना शुरू होगा, 0 होगा, and then current start bringing a reduction. Keep on changing. So current travel straight. What is happening there, I will be telling you later on. But this is graphical representation of current. If anyhow, one thing more here. This equation 1 was I equal to I0 sin omega t. But if you get some omega 2 pi upon t, if time period reduced to half, meaning things changing more frequently. So if it is I equal to I dash equal to I0 sin 2 omega t, फिर यहाँ 4 pi t upon t होगा, then value of यहाँ T/4 से पहले ही T/8 पर वो मैक्सिमम होगा। इसका मतलब यहाँ ट्वाइस यहाँ ओमेगा। What is the difference? If in one cycle time t complete one cycle, it will complete two cycles and will repeat twice. Similarly, you can represent voltage Vt graph the same way T/4 T मान लो ये V0 maximum ये मान V0, so you can get the same graph. Voltage will also change periodically with time. This is the variation of voltage time graph. So AC voltage you can represent here. It is minus V0. And the current and voltage are also sometimes called oscillating. Oscillating current and oscillating voltage भी बोलते हैं. Just pendulum oscillate. You know time period pendulum क्या होता है? 2 pi under root L upon G. और in general omega is equal to root K by M. यूज करते हैं हम SHM में. In SHM we use omega angular frequency. That depends on mass and K. So that pendulum oscillate. So that is the omega is the angular frequency oscillation. Similarly here omega is the angular frequency oscillation of current between I0 and minus I0 or 0 to by 0 and so on. By oscillation, so when body change position periodically with time, so that is oscillating. Here current is changing its magnitude and direction periodically, so this is also called oscillating. So alternating current and alternating voltage are sometimes called as oscillating electric field and magnetic field. So I hope you have got my point. Simple definition: start saying the current which keep on changing in magnitude and direction periodically with time is called alternating current. Mathematically, I equal to I0 sin omega t and V equal to V0 sin omega t. I will be taking next topic here in next video.